People that come on the trip are going to learn about living in a wilderness environment, hopefully learning how to thrive and make their life more enjoyable in a wilderness environment. They're going to be pushed to the limits. So they're going to be challenged, potentially environments that they've never been into before. They're going to be looking at some survival skills. They're going to be maybe potentially eating things they've never eaten before, wild game, prepping their own food. Sleeping under the stars, again, is a bit of a challenge for people. They might never have done that before.
Going back to nature is a nice experience. Sleeping outside or in a tent, going back to yourself again. It's an extremely nice experience. Never used the rifle. First time you use it, it's a little bit scary, but you get used to it fast. Yeah, that was a nice experience.
They're going to experience the views, the scenery, the sort of ruggedness of the environment that Scotland has to offer. Remote, away from civilization, where things slow down a little bit. You sort of take stock of yourself, enjoy the beautiful place that you're in. When you come on a trip with Primal Adventures, you'll be looking to get out in the wilderness, try new skills, learn new things, but always with a little element of luxury. So we like to finish the event with a nice meal and a nice stay at a high-end castle.
If you are looking for a nice and exciting weekend, definitely book at Primal Adventures.